welcome to April's update. So each month I'm going to give you a quilting update on everything that's been going on the previous month. So I usually post on the first of the month. I had some technical difficulties, so I am posting on April 2nd, 2022. Anyway, I hope you had a great day yesterday. I hope you didn't fall for any of the pranks, all that. Before we get started talking about the wonderful news I have and some really wonderful updates, my name is Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Thank you for joining me. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. It really helps me out, and I'm so close to 5,000 subscribers. Yay! If you are returning, thank you. Welcome back. The great news. So let me start by saying at the beginning of the month, I went to Florida with my mom for 10 days. We left March 1st, got back on March 10th. It was wonderful. It was a great time to get away. We visited some friends, stayed with some wonderful people, just had a great time. It was just her and I on this trip. It was exactly what we needed. And I'll tell you more about that in a minute. When we got back, Mom had a PET scan. About a week later, we got the results, and she is officially cancer-free. So exciting. So I am so happy and grateful. Thank you all for all your prayers and support through this difficult time. You know, she doesn't go back for another 6 months. So hopefully and prayerfully, we will get a clean bill of health again in 6 months, and it'll just keep going from there. So as for the trip to Florida, it was, like I said, great. While I was there, I did work on some handwork. I'm working on an English paper piecing project that kind of got a lot bigger than it was supposed to. Originally, it was supposed to just be a little table runner. Now I think I'm going to be making it into a quilt. I'm having a lot of fun with it. I did get a lot done. While I was there, I inspired someone else to make a English paper piecing quilt for her great-granddaughter. So that was a lot of fun to go pick out fabric and to teach her how to do English paper piecing. Now I'm not great at it, so I don't know if I'd ever put a video out, or at least not anytime soon, but I had enough information to get her started. The quilt is turning out beautifully. I didn't get to any quilt shops. I was hoping to, but I didn't. But I did go to a thrift shop, and I did find an antique quilt, so I will be showing that probably this summer sometime. So because of the trip to Florida, I wasn't super productive with videos this March. I'm hoping April will be different. I have a lot of plans, I have a lot of projects, and of course I have a lot of old quilts to share with you. But one thing that did get finished was the cutting table. Well, almost finished. The finished work is finished. How many times can I say finished? The finished work is finished on it. The doors, the drawers, all the trim, everything is done. And now it's up to me to paint it. So I have to get started on that. Hopefully May 1st for that update, I will have it all painted. But I do want to share with you right now the finished cutting table. Okay, hopefully you can see me. I just wanted to set this on the tripod and aim it at the cutting table so you can see the entire cutting table, maybe not necessarily me. So this is it. It is huge. Walk over here so you can see it is on wheels, so it can turn. It's beautiful. He put all the drawer fronts on. I picked out the handles, so they're all on. And then he also did all the trim work on the panels. So let me turn it around so you can get a shot of it here. There are 2 drawers on this end, which if you remember, I had like binder clips so I could open everything. And then over here, there's some fuzzies on it, are 2 doors that have cabinets, and I have a bunch of containers in there. And then on the end, let me try to back it up here some. So you can see I have 2 other doors here that open for more storage. I'm in the process of still organizing things and figuring out what I'm going to be putting in here, but it is a great table. It's so useful. I've used it so much and it's been wonderful. Isn't it amazing? Oh my goodness, I love it so much. We call it affectionately the Buick. It is huge, but I love it. I'm not sure when the rest of the cabinets will be started. He's working on a few other projects in our house, but stay tuned. I will, of course, give a quilt studio tour at some point when a lot more of it is finished. So let's talk about the projects I made this month. So I didn't make much just because, again, I was on vacation, and when I came back, I was getting back into making videos and everything like that, but I did make a few. So the first thing I made, and it was basically because I just wanted to get, I don't know, I just wanted something fun to sew, something something easy. And a friend of mine had made something like this, and she inspired me to do the same. So I have this pillow that I made that's made with salvages, and it is so cool. It's all raw edge applique, and it turned out so wonderful. And I just machine quilted and went a little crazy with the machine quilting, but this will sit on our porch this summer, and it's squishy and soft, and I'm sure there is a puppy who will love this too. I also made my spring wall hanging for my kitchen, and I was inspired by the colors of Florida. So all these turquoise and blues and whites, and it does look really pretty hanging in my kitchen. So I'm continuing with this series. I'm keeping with the basic half square triangles. I made something similar to this in a tutorial with the table topper before Christmas, and I just made the half square triangle smaller, and I'm just keeping with that same theme with these monthly or seasonally, I'm not sure, little wall hangings for my kitchen. And this is the one for this month. Isn't it cute? Other than that, I'm doing a collaboration with my friend Fallon from So Be It Quilts. So that should be out mid-month. So that's been a huge project and a huge undertaking. And finally, Jenny's Countdown to Christmas box is going on sale April 5th for pre-orders. So if you're interested in this, you can sign up. I'll put a link below to the website. I did an unboxing each day in December of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas box, and I plan on doing it again this year. So I can't wait to share that with you. I can't wait to get it and pre-order it, but definitely pre-order it because they do sell out of it. So if you're interested in doing it, if you're interested in having this box and even opening gifts along with me, check it out. April 5th, it will go on pre-order. So if they're doing it like they did last year, you paid half of the amount in April, and then you get billed the other half in like September or October, and it is mailed to you around Thanksgiving. I don't get paid or anything to do this box and do the unboxing. I'm not sponsored by Missouri Star Quilt Company or anything like that. I give my completely honest opinion, even if it isn't the popular opinion of the public. And I do have a lot of fun though, opening it and seeing what I get. I hope you're all doing well, especially considering everything that's going on in the world. I'm keeping Ukraine in my prayers. And if you're watching from Ukraine, please know my heart is with you. I know there are a lot of people out there praying for you. Have a wonderful month, and make sure you take some time to sew. I'll see you soon. Bye.